Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Super Manic token. Now the Super Manic token is obviously a playoff of Sonic the Hedgehog. This token is in the midst of their pre-sale right now. This is a brand new token here. There's been many Sonic the Hedgehog tokens come out in the crypto meme coin world in the past. And then now we have this brand new one here. We're going to go over the information on the Super Manic the Hedgehog token. Crazy name. We're going to go over the information on this token here and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So if you go to their webpage, supermaniccoin.com, you will see that their pre-sale is live right now. It says 1S Manic, so their ticker symbol is S Manic, just like in the title of this video. It says 1S Manic equals, and then it shows 0 point, and then there's 4 zeros and a 3 USDT. And it shows how many are sold so far. So they're looking to sell in this pre-sale 40 billion tokens. And so far they've sold 4,060,292 tokens. And it says they've raised 124 USDT out of 1.2 million USDT. So this pre-sale literally just started here. This is a brand new pre-sale. I just saw a article about it. There have been seen in different articles like Benzinga, Yahoo Finance, etc. So on their webpage here, you can just connect your wallet. There is a how to buy section. They have NFTs. You can click on claim NFT. They have socials. So they have a Telegram at Super Manic Coin Verify. And their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual, at Super Manic Coin on Twitter. Full white paper, tokenomics, roadmap, all sorts of information available on their webpage here. So they call it the Super Manic 100 times meme token. Introducing Super Manic the Hedgehog. Just like its namesake, Super Manic is no ordinary crypto token. It boasts super fast speed and incredible potential. And now Super Manic is ready to blast off to the moon with WEI to Moon, its newest initiative. Super Manic offers an opportunity like no other. As you stake your tokens, you'll reap the rewards while providing the much-needed boost to optimize Manic's performance. Imagine being part of a journey where a super hedgehog breaks all records and skyrockets to success. Just imagine. Super Manic's products include staking rewards, Super Manic NFT collection, an NFT marketplace, a gaming application, and a Super Manic metaverse. So how the token is split up in the tokenomics, they have 40% of the tokens going to pre-sale, 30% of the tokens will go to staking rewards, we got 10% going to liquidity, 4% going to marketing, and 10% going to rewards. So their roadmap here is pretty straightforward. Phase 1 of the roadmap is going to be the website launch, and then smart contract deployment, social channels launch, website launch, pre-sale goes live, smart contract audit. Phase 2 is going to be KYC certification, staking launch, Super Manic's NFTs claim, so that's when you'll be able to claim the NFTs on their webpage if you're involved with that. Decentralized and centralized exchange listings, NFT collection. Phase 3 is going to be coin market cap and CoinGecko listing, huge marketing, Bitmart listing, a Gate.io listing, influencer marketing. Then phase 4 is going to be metaverse development, super Manic integrations, gaming app development, partnerships, and then their NFT marketplace. So after the pre-sale is over there, they will be listed on some central exchanges, they said, like Bitmart, and the other one was Gate. And then at the very bottom of their webpage, of course, they have very bottom of their white paper, they have a huge disclaimer. It could be on their webpage as well. But obviously always read the legal disclaimers and all that stuff first. It says, in a nutshell, it's information purposes. It is not financial advice. Crypto can be very volatile. Always do your due diligence. We cannot guarantee specific outcomes for market performance. So basically invest at your own risk. Obviously, this is not affiliated with Sega or the actual, Sonic the Hedgehog, etc. This is just a homage meme coin. It's a joke, obviously. And so their webpage, and it says Super Manic's unique innovative model would prove to build a better and profitable platform for users via staking NFTs, gaming, payments, and exchanges. There's a total supply of 100 billion tokens. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. So most likely, along with those central exchange listings, it'll be available on something like PancakeSwap in a decentralized exchange manner. And 100 billion token total supply. And of course, he's super fast. And so it says here, they're trying to share part of the global gaming industry's, finances, which is projected to be $650 billion by 2030. That's going to be the global gaming industry market value, and they're looking to get a slice of that, obviously. Now, right at the very bottom of their webpage, too, it says how to buy, and it says get some BNB, connect the wallet, pre-sale, claim, all that type of stuff. It goes over all that. They do have contact us button at the bottom of the page. You can contact them via email if you're having issues and whatnot. Now, their Telegram, if we open that up, so far has 591 Telegram members. Super Manic Coin Verify, so check that out. And then their Twitter, which I'm putting in the corner of the screen over there, 902 followers so far. Just joined in October 2023. Like I said, brand new project. Blue verified checkmark. 14 tweets so far. So they have the meme coin, they have the NFT collection, the NFT marketplace, the Super Manic Metaverse, and the gaming app coming soon. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment, check out the referral codes, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.